In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Play Store on a Nintendo Switch. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your system settings just like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see the option over here that says Internet. Then you want to go ahead and press on Internet Settings. Once you're done with that, it is then going to go ahead and basically scan the area for all the networks that are available. You want to go ahead and select on the internet connection that you're currently connected to. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on that. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on Change Settings just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see primary DNS, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and delete this right over here, and we need to essentially go ahead and change our DNS. So here is what we need to actually change it to. So you want to make sure that it does say 045. So let's go ahead and get 0 and then 45. Then you want to go ahead and press on the dot. Then it is 0 and then 55. Then you want to go ahead and press on the dot one more time. Then you want to go ahead and enter in 1, 4, and then 2. Then you want to go ahead and press on the dot one more time. And finally, you want to end it off with 1, 2, 2. So you want to make sure that this is actually your primary DNS. Make sure you edit it to this. So here is the full thing right over here. So once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on OK. Then you want to go ahead and press on save. Once you're done with that, then it will say settings have been saved. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on connect to this network and just wait for it to connect. And this is basically going to allow the Nintendo Switch to actually access Google and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and press on OK. All right, guys, then it is going to go ahead and bring you to a page that does look like this. So it is going to give you like a brief message saying you that registration is actually required, but do not worry, you do not need to go ahead and do that. So anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue to Google once you're done with that. And then here we are, boys. We are actually in Google. So now we can go to the search bar, and then all we need to do is we need to go ahead and just look up the Play Store. All right, guys, so here I am, and it is actually a little bit difficult to control using the buttons. So for this, I'm just going to be using my fingers really quickly. So yeah, there you go. And then from there, you will actually go ahead and have access to the Google Play Store. As you're able to tell from here, we can go ahead and get apps like Roblox, Subway Surfers, and stuff like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.